Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? Last video we discussed about one course that I made on financial modeling, and I offered it free to all of you since I don't have any commercial angle to that course. And I showed you two ways to basically download or I enroll in that course. One was on Udemy and one was on an Indian website called Bay Street School. I hope that video helped you to enroll in the course, learn a new skill, and be more industry ready if you're a finance professional. And the purpose is to share as much as possible. And today I'm back with you, to tell you one great way of learning anything, for free, which is available on platforms like Udemy. And there are no tips tricks here. It's a simple way you can actually access any course on Udemy, the platform, for free. And you just need to have the interest and the drive to do that course, and things will fall in place where you can access it free of cost, even though it doesn't cost much to take a course on Udemy in a normal scenario as well, because they keep running promotions. However, in case there is a course that you really want to do, don't want to spend on it, this is the video for you, because I'm going to tell you one simple way in which you can access any course on Udemy for free. And I've tried it myself, not from a student point of view, but as an instructor point of view. I've seen people use my course for free on Udemy and learn from it, and I've seen them do well. And I'm right now coming as a small guy to you. Let me be on the screen. Yeah. And while this is something that I'm going to tell you, this almost every time this works. And let me tell you one thing about this way, is that it's a good way. There's no tips and tricks. You easily access whatever you are looking for. You get the course in your Udemy account. You can do it as per your wish. You can do it today, tomorrow, whenever you're free. And it doesn't cost anyone anything. So it is free for you. Udemy benefits from it. The instructor actually benefits from it. And you must be, right now puzzled, why the instructor of the course will benefit from you accessing the course for free. But the instructor does benefit from it, and I'll tell you in detail how. So, since I told you I made a course on Udemy and I put it, for a promotion basis, the basic course was free. The full course was for a small fee, like Udemy always charges a small fee. But let me make myself go a little smaller and tell you how to access it. So I'll first show you a Udemy screen. Now this is a screen, I hope you can see it. I have no way to verify this, but I am sure the technology is not betraying me at this moment. This is a screen that, as a course instructor, you get from Udemy, and there is something called promotions here. Here. Now this promotions helps an instructor, spread the course to people who he knows, or he wants anybody to have a free access. The instructor can easily give it. And how it works is that there is a link, there's a referral link. If you can see, there is something, a referral code at the back of this link, and then there are coupons. So every instructor gets 3 to 4 types of coupons to create, and that is available with the instructor, and he can make anybody use those coupons and access the course for free. So now that's one great way of accessing the course. And let me tell you, a lot of people use this. And these are the coupons. So see, I created a coupon for my course right now. If you want to do my course on Udemy and use this coupon, in the next 14 days you will get my course for free, but only the next 8 people will get it. So in case you are interested in financial modeling, are watching this video, go to my course, use this code, and if you are among the first 8, you will get this course for free, the full course and the certificate. So it works for you. Then every month you have a option to create coupons. So here there is a share coupon. I can share it with anybody. but there is an option of creating a new. Now there are four ways to give a discount on Udemy. One is a, two options are for discounts over the price, and you can give it for a lower price. But there are two options in which you can give the course for free, and one of them is a 3-day unlimited course, in which you get the course, you do the course in 3 days, and then it vanishes from your account. If you get the certificate in those 3 days, it will stay with you. And then there is a 31-day unlimited here, and every course instructor gets 10 redemptions of this, and unlimited redemptions of the 3-day unlimited program. So any course instructor can basically let people do their course for free, and unlimited number of people. And if it's a small course, like my financial modeling course can be done in a day, so I can give it to unlimited number of people, and it's totally free, right? So but you will say that this instructor has this right, then how do we get it, right? It's simple. I will tell you how. So I'll just show you. I keep getting a lot of messages on my LinkedIn, and one of many of them start like this: I'm so and so, I'm doing studies from here and from this place, and can you please give me access to your course, and I would be grateful if you can give me the access to the course. And we generally reply as an instructor that why not? This is the course, this is the key. You get the course, and you have access to the full module. So that's how we do it, that's how it is done, and that's how you can access any course for free, right? And that's one way of doing it. And the other way of doing it is that you go for the course like a normal purchase, right? So but then you would say that what's in it for the instructor? The instructor does benefit a lot from this. A lot of times, the popularity of instructor on Udemy is from his reviews. The course I made, after so many people have taken it, like hundreds of people have taken it, about under 100 people have also reviewed it, it's still hovering at 4.5 rating out of 5. Now it does help me, because if anybody wants to learn financial modeling, he has so many options, but he has an option which is probably in the top 1 percentile in terms of rating. So most of these guys who you give the course for free, they come back to you, and if they like the course, they generally give you a good review, because they know you also. And even if they don't know you, they have connected with you once. So it helps the instructor sell more on Udemy, it helps you get the course for free, and this works for any course, right? And this is so easy to do. It's a connected world. You can easily find the instructor anywhere. You just need to go to the course, see the name of the instructor, go to LinkedIn, message him. That's all you have to do, and you can get that course for free. I have done that in the past when I was a new learner on Udemy, and it's worked well for me. Nearly 99% of instructors are okay with you getting one free access, and they generally expect that you give them a review, a positive one, so that it can help them. And that much the learners also do, in case they like the course. So that's all about getting anything which is there on Udemy for free, without any tips and tricks. I hope you liked it. Do try it once, and I'm sure you'll get access to it for free, because most instructors are available online, they are accessible, and 99.9% of them will have no problem sharing a code with you to really go ahead and do their course. So I wish you all the best, and stay connected. In case you're liking what I am producing as videos on my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep coming back to this channel. In case you have anything you want to discuss with me specifically, please write that in the comments, and I'm very quick to respond on my channel on the comments. Thanks a lot. You all have a great time ahead. Thank you.